Ito yung napili naming kainan during our visit sa food district. Ang daming choices ng mga cuisines doon. Kaso sobrang bihira lang kami makakain ng Indonesian food. Bakmi Nyonya offers Indonesian comfort food. If you love spicy food, pwede ka pang mag-purchase dito ng iba-ibang flavor ng sambal. Currently, they have 2 branches. Meron dito sa food district and the other one is sa Pioneer Food Market in Mandaluyong. Meron palang malapit sa amin, hindi ko alam. Since it's our first time here, tinanong ko na lang yung staff sa bestseller nila. This is Bakmi Sapi. Beef brisket siya na may homemade fresh egg noodles. It has bok choy, pickles, and soup on the side. Kung napapansin nyo, medyo favorite ko talaga yung mga ganitong beef brisket. Mas gusto ko pa rin yung Chinese style, pero masarap yung broth nila. And their noodles, sobrang perfect. Kaya pala masarap kasi homemade to. At yung beef, tingnan nyo naman, kusang nalalaglag sa sobrang lambot. Worth it to for 199 pesos. My husband ordered nasi goreng. Indonesian fried rice siya na may option kung shrimp or chicken or pwede rin combined. Umikot daw yung mata niya sa sobrang sarap nito. I agree naman, mahilig ako sa shrimps and perfectly seasoned to and very fresh. Nagustuhan ko rin yung rice kasi sobrang malasa and hindi overwhelming yung lasa ng mga spices. Madami pa silang mga interesting dishes to try. If you love Indonesian food, ano yung mga favorite nyo?